Good afternoon, friends and neighbors. It is time now for the solution to the Packet of the Week number 21. Here was the Packet of the Week number 21, and if you recall, what I asked you to do this time is rather than interpret what you see, what I wanted you to do is find out what we could learn about the topology just from this single packet. So if you look really close, there are some clues in here as to what is going on. And for those of you that are not familiar, this is a spanning tree BPDU or Bridge Protocol Data Unit, and these guys run on every single network. So what we can learn here from the 4 fields that are part of our comparison algorithm, we can learn the identity of the root of this particular spanning tree topology, and that guy is on the left here. And we can see that it's got a priority of 32.769 followed by the MAC address. In hexadecimal, that would be 8001 followed by the same MAC address. Now the switch in the middle of this topology is advertising that root. So we know because the transmit bridge ID is different than the root ID that this came from a second switch. This particular second switch has the same priority, but a higher MAC address, which is why it wasn't the root of this particular topology. So we can see here that the only difference in this particular field is the trailing end of the MAC address. We also know that this is a fast Ethernet network because the path cost is 19. Now the fun thing about that is we also know that this is 1 hop away from the root bridge because it's that even multiple for spanning tree topologies. When I say even here, it's a multiple of 19. So this is 19. We know that it's 1 hop away from the root. It's tough to get to 19 without being just 1 hop away on a fast Ethernet network. And then lastly, that 4th field is the port ID, and it comes out as 8003. Port priorities have a base 10 value of 128 or 80 in hex, and 03 is the port number. So there you have it. I grabbed this from a PC connected to port 3 on a switch 1 hop away from the root on a fast Ethernet network. Well, I hope you got that, and I hope you enjoyed this particular Packet of the Week. I am working on some other videos, so I'm going to take a 1-week break from the Packet of the Week, but I'll be back in 2 weeks with Packet of the Week number 22. Stop in at brucehartpence.com for more resources, configs, more videos, and some PCAP files. And take a look at the books. Hope you enjoy them. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for listening. And may your packets always reach their destinations.